What's Nathan got? Come here, girls. Come here. Rio. What's he got? Stop. Tell him, Rio. All this over a rubber band. Rio, where are you? Rio, come see me. Come see me. She won't come in here. She's terrified of a rubber band. Tell him, Star. Tell him. She's going to eat. Rio, where are you? What are you doing hiding? Come here, Mama. She's gonna go in the kennel. I've never seen dogs afraid of a rubber band before. Tell him, Star. Tell him, Star. Tell him. Ow, they're gonna jump on me. What's he doing to you? What's he doing, baby girl? It's Mama girl. Rio. Star's yelling at you now. I'll stand by Mommy and bark. I'm so ferocious. Tell him. Little Owie, come see me. Rio, come see me. Where is she? Under a table? Rio. Hey, come see me. Come see me. Come see me. Rio, come see me. Good girl. Come see Mama. What's the matter? Uh-oh, I'm videotaping. Papa's in his underwear. Papa's in his underwear. Papa's in his underwear. No! Hey! I see Papa in his underwear.
You can't hide. Look at the Papa butt.
Papa butt! I'm going to post it on Facebook. No! I'm going to say, and this is Papa Man in his underwear. Look at Rio. Look at Rio. She's getting scared. Look, she's going to hide. Go tell her it's okay, Pop. Go tell her it's okay. Let's go see what Julia's doing. Julia! Hi! What are you doing? Guess what? I'm recording you.
It's bright! Too bright!
Oh, Patrick. Gonna fart. Patrick farted on his sister! High five, buddy! High five!
Stop!
Stop!
I put my hand in part of the video.
You guys are crazy.